Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you guys this AI thumbnail generator that is mind blowing. Just 2 minutes, you can make thumbnail like this or this using an AI thumbnail generator that allow you to create a thumbnail like this or this for all your YouTube videos. If you submit this test to this AI, it will generate this thumbnail right here. And I have seen hundreds of videos like this. So if you want to start making better YouTube thumbnail and get more views quickly and easily, this video is for you. And if you follow through the video, I will show you how to make extra cash with this tool, and I will share with you how to use it properly. So you have to watch this video to the very end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button that you don't miss out anytime I upload the video on this channel. Now with this AI tool, you can make action based thumbnail, perspective thumbnail, free panel thumbnail, face and object thumbnail, text thumbnail, object only thumbnail. Basically you can make best performing YouTube thumbnail with this AI tool. To generate our thumbnail, we are going to be using this platform, this AI tool called pixel.com. This is the best AI thumbnail generator for YouTube specifically, and this AI thumbnail generator is designed to help you make YouTube thumbnail that will make your video have a high click-through rate, because the thumbnail it generates is very attractive and engaging, and it will help your video have a click-through rate that will result to a lot of views. And this is a game changer for YouTuber. Big YouTuber use this AI thumbnail generator to make their workflow easy and simple. Another good aspect of this mind-blowing AI thumbnail generator is that you can make money through designing of thumbnail. Yeah, some graphic designers make a lot of money from designing thumbnail, eye-catching thumbnail for big creators, and with this AI thumbnail generator, you can easily get a lot of work done in a very short period of time, hereby making you more money by just using text to generate an eye-catching thumbnail that will get a lot of views. And if you are looking for a way to make extra cash, extra money, you can explore the use of this thumbnail generator and you will start earning immediately. Now, the question is, how can you start making money from making thumbnail? The first is to open accounts Fiverr and Upwork and explore how to use this thumbnail generator and build up your portfolio, and you are good to go. So if you want me to make video on how to make money from making thumbnail, let me know in the comment section. Now, this is how to use this thumbnail generator. Now you have two different options you can use to create a thumbnail with this AI tool. You can do prompt to thumbnail, which is you submitting a text prompt right here describing what you would like to create, or you can use the second option, which is the recreating option. This is where you can paste a YouTube video link, then click generate, and it's going to recreate the existing thumbnail that you gave it, allowing you to use a proven format from video that already have millions of views for your own video. Before I show you how to recreate with your YouTube link, let's start with first option, which is making a thumbnail from scratch with a prompt. In order to submit a test right here, first of all, we need a video topic. Yes, we need a video topic. So I actually spent some time doing research, figuring out which video performed very well. I noticed that top YouTuber like Mr. Beast, Mark Robber have a video with Sharp, and they got over millions of views on that video because of the thumbnail they use. They know the importance of captivating thumbnail. That is why the AI thumbnail generator is developed to help you in your YouTube journey. So we are going to generate a similar thumbnail. For example, I'll just put this prompt: a man swimming underwater, looking scared into the camera while a shark is behind him. And this is what we got. This is amazing, guys. So this is just one example. There is countless of thumbnail format that you can generate using this AI. So any YouTuber can benefit from this, no matter what kind of content, what kind of video you create. So here are some thumbnail that we are generated using this AI tool. So this AI thumbnail maker is specifically designed for YouTuber. So for you to actually get a profound result using this AI tool, you need to do the following. You should be very specific when prompting or writing your prompt. Describe the key element of the thumbnail very clearly. For example, if you look at this prompt I used to generate this thumbnail, the prompt is specific. I highlighted the key element here, which is the person Elon Musk, object, which is the Tesla tiny house, and the position of Elon Musk on the Tesla tiny house, which I described what Elon Musk was doing with the Tesla tiny house, which gave the prompt, and the result came out fine. The second thing you should do to get a profound result when using this AI tool is to make your prompt short but clear. Don't overload the prompt. In summary, to get create a profile result when using Pixel. When using this AI tool, just make sure the prompt is short, simple, and clear. The thumbnail I have shown you are all from videos that have millions of views, and they all share one thing: they were created by expensive thumbnail designer who charge $500 per thumbnail. But this app has a recreate option, allowing you to use the same thumbnail. Here's how it works. First, find a thumbnail that inspires you and you recreate it for your own video. I'll just copy the link of the video, open this AI tool to recreate it, then paste the link right here. You got an important decision to make. You can select low, medium, or high. Now, this will refer to how much inspiration you want to take from this thumbnail that you submitted. I'm going to click on high and then click on generator, and there it is. So you can see how accurate it is. Having said that, it is important to stress that this is a unique thumbnail. It will create the entire format. As you can see, the best part is that this thumbnail is generated without me having any Photoshop or designing skill and having to hire a very expensive thumbnail designer. But now, once your thumbnail is being created using a recreate option, you actually still have the opportunity to change the inspiration weight. So I can now also click on medium, then once again it will regenerate that thumbnail on a different weight scale so that it will copy it a bit less but still take from it. So for here, now you can see that they are not the same. The only thing is that it takes from the original thumbnail and will recreate for you. Looking at all these thumbnails made with this AI tool, it is clear that this AI tool gives you a competitive advantage compared to ordinary small YouTubers that are trying to make a great thumbnail but don't have the expert level designer skill. So if you have been struggling to create a thumbnail like me that people actually click on, this will help you to create a high quality thumbnail that is very captivating without any designing skill or spending hundreds of dollars on these thumbnails like the top YouTuber do. Make thumbnail that stand out and get you more views, because your next viral video is just one thumbnail away. And if this video is helpful, like you learn something from this video, please don't leave this video without you subscribing or sharing to other YouTubers, small YouTubers that want to learn how to make a thumbnail with AI. And this is mind-blowing, guys. So if you have stayed with me till this time, I say thank you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.